Hey everyone, welcome back to Top on Sale product recommendations. Today we're checking out an affordable and stylish smartwatch that combines functionality, design, and durability. The EIGIIS 2025 new smartwatch. And the best part? It's currently available for only $19.99, down from $25.66. That's 22% off. Click the link in the description below to buy yours today. If you're looking for a reliable fitness tracker with all the must-have features, this one's for you. The EIGIIS KT71 comes with a 1.96-inch Ultra HD IPS display, offering crystal clear visibility, even under bright sunlight. It's 3 ATM waterproof, so yes, you can wear it while swimming, exercising, or even in the rain without worry. This watch supports 100-plus sports modes, letting you track your runs, gym workouts, cycling sessions, and much more. Plus, it's got all-day health monitoring, keeping an eye on your heart rate, steps, calories, and sleep patterns. Inside, it packs a 430 milliamp hour battery, giving you 4 to 10 days of working time and up to 25 days on standby. So you won't be charging it every night. It supports magnetic charging, and a full charge takes just about 2.5 hours. The watch connects via Bluetooth 5.3 and is compatible with both Android and iPhone using the DayFit app. You'll get notifications, calls, and health insights right on your wrist. With its sleek, modern design and comfortable straps, the EIGIIS 2025 is perfect for outdoor sports, gym sessions, and even casual wear. If you're ready to upgrade your fitness routine without breaking the bank, grab the EIGIIS 2025 smartwatch today. Price: $19.99, 22% off. Click the link in the description below to buy. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more top tech reviews and amazing deals.